Welcome, Commander, to the quick tutorial for Cosmic Pre-Alpha version 0.3. Today we'll cover the basic controls, the first planet, expansion dynamics, the units, structures, and mods, how to earn prestige, and how to engage in combat. This is the game's home screen, and the only functional option right now is Arena. It takes us to a list of game lobbies, and you'll see two categories. On the left are casual games, which anyone can join for free, and on the right are ranked games, which can only be created with Cosmic credits. At the end of each month, the top-ranked players on each planet earn extra Cosmic credits. Ranked games aren't ready yet, so let's create a casual game. The creator of a game lobby can choose a few settings, such as which planet the match will take place on. For now, the only working option is match length. You can pick 15, 21, or 30 turns. Let's publish this lobby so other players can see it in the list. That also enables chat, where you can type normally or use one of the quick chat shortcuts on the right. Clicking this button will start the match. Let's begin with the controls. You'll find navigating the game very simple. Use the mouse to drag the world and explore different areas of the planet. To adjust your view, scroll the mouse wheel to zoom. If you ever lose your orientation, press the spacebar to return to your base in the original position. To select a unit, click on it. Then, to give an order, move, mine, or attack, right-click after selecting the unit. Now let's talk about the planet itself. It's divided into domains, each made up of multiple regions. Capturing regions and domains is crucial because each turn you'll receive more energy, which you'll spend on building new structures and launching units. You also earn prestige for each conquest, and at the end of the match, whoever has the most prestige wins. When it comes to expansion, you'll have both scientific and military units, launched from your landing pads. There are three main scientific unit types: Kepler, which operates on land; Darwin, specialized in amphibious operations; and Newton, which functions in the air. One important detail: each time you launch a unit of the same type, its cost increases slightly. To move a unit, select it and right-click on a neighboring region. Each move consumes one of your 5 orders per turn. But remember, air units can cross 2 borders per order, which can be a game changer for your expansion strategy. Next, let's cover mods, the upgrades that define each unit's capabilities, such as mining or construction. For example, the Kepler comes with the Extractor mod, allowing it to harvest surface resources. To mine, select a Kepler, move it to a resource-rich region, and right-click to issue the mining command. The same Kepler also has the Builder mod, which lets you construct infrastructure like landing pads. The Darwin has the Botanist mod, enabling it to gather plant-based resources. When you click on a resource deposit, the game will show which mods are required to extract it correctly. Moving on to structures, there are 6 key buildings to develop your strategy. First is the solar panel, which generates the energy that powers all your actions. Next is the landing pad, essential for launching your units. The outpost increases the number of orders you can execute per turn, giving you greater tactical flexibility. The refinery combines extracted resources into commodities. For example, you might need 6 of each resource to produce a specific commodity. Each turn, the refinery attempts to consume the required inputs, and, if successful, yields the desired commodity. The factory then uses those commodities to build stronger, customizable units, like a war tank, which will always be available in future matches. Lastly, the laboratory is where you upgrade your unit's attributes, such as accuracy, damage, and defense. All these structures can be upgraded to level 3, further boosting their benefits. Let's talk about earning prestige, one of the game's core elements. You gain prestige by expanding, capturing regions, domains, and other strategic points on the planet. You'll also build forts, citadels, and capitals. A fort is a domain where all 6 structures are built. A citadel is when all structures reach level 2. A capital is formed when every structure hits level 3. The more prestige you accumulate, the more energy you generate each turn. In this 0.3 version, the maximum achievement in a match is to build 3 capitals, known as an empire. This grants massive prestige at the end of the match, and, in the future, will unlock very powerful special research in the Singular Academy. On to combat. You can attack enemy units in adjacent areas. Select your attacking unit and right-click on the enemy unit. During battle, units exchange shots and deal damage to each other until one is destroyed. Damage dealt is a random value between the unit's accuracy and its maximum damage. At the start of your journey in Cosmic, your units have 0 accuracy, meaning you'll rely heavily on luck in combat. But don't worry, you can upgrade these attributes in the labs as you progress. Finally, let's reflect on how to play version 0.3. First, focus on expansion. Capturing as many regions and domains as possible is key to building forts, citadels, and especially capitals, which generate huge energy and prestige. Second, resource gathering. Remember that all resources mined in each match carry over to future matches, so harvesting as much as possible is vital. Third, unit production. Manufacturing your own military units is essential for affordable expansion and increasing your chances of victory. And last, remember that war is expensive. Early in the game, it's often better to take a peaceful stance, earning up to 5 karma points for finishing matches without attacking. Those points convert into prestige at the end of the match and can be decisive for your victory. In summary, the main goal in this test version is to expand, gather resources, and manufacture military units to build a powerful empire, accumulating prestige. Balancing growth, extraction, and development is the key to dominating the Cosmic 0.3 battlefield. Thank you for watching, Commander. See you next time!